Hi everyone, in this video, I will explain to you how to fix Fortnite error ESP-DIST001, an error occurred while connecting to Epic servers. So, please try again later. Now, what you need to do first is simply wait it out. Maybe the server is out, so you can check it on the internet or the web or on the Google Chrome if the server is out. Now, after you've waited and nothing happened, try to restart your internet, your PC, and the Fortnite. First, restart your Fortnite. If that didn't work, restart your PC. And also, if that didn't work, try to restart your router. And if that didn't work, this is the last solution. Now, here's what he did or she did. It reassigned your PC local IP through my router's DHCP reservation system. Then match it with correct MAC address from your active Wi-Fi adapter. Now perform a full flush of system cache. Delete app data, local Epic Games Launcher save, deleted app data, local Fortnite game save, and run ipconfig flush DNS netsh winsack reset netsh int ip reset and purg at the temp, and then disable firewall and antivirus during the test. Rebooted modem and PC for a clean handshake. Then launch Epic Games Launcher as administrator. And after all that, Fortnite finally will launch past the ESP-DIST001 wall without an issue. And that's basically it.